To the RescueTap project, a device designed to enhance safety and independence for those at risk of falls and medical and emergencies. Today, we are going to take you through the crucial phase of our journey, prototyping and testing. Prototyping is our concept come to life. We begin by assembling the core components: an accelerometer and gyroscope to detect falls, a mobile GPS app for location tracking, a tackle button for manual alerts and cancellation, a buzzer for audio feedback when it sends alarm. The buzzer will make the feedback. And sure, the processor will be in our Raspberry Pi. We use a Raspberry. When our GPS is activated, we will run again. Yeah, it's now is running. Oh, that's good. It's now is running. Oh, that's good. And then we will push the button. It will send a notification. It's possible for detecting by push button. It's detecting by and detected by a push button and give the location exactly. Yeah, and this is a LED to make sure it's sent, and in the same time the buzzer now is make a feedback to. And now when we will try to push to push the button for more than 5 seconds. We will first when we are going to push the button for more than 5 seconds, it will immediately cancel the fall